Hello, my students. Please prepare your textbook, page number 168. Page number 168. Now I'm going to solve some exercise on Carroll diagram. Okay, so here the first question is, sort these shirts using the groups shown in the Carroll diagram below. So here we have two groups, colored and not colored. Here, red and not red. Okay, so fill in the Carroll diagram with the correct number of shirts, then answer the questions that follow. So here we have some questions, okay, 3 questions on this Carroll diagram. So here he's asking you, what's the number of colored and red shirts? Here we have 3 red shirts, but I need the shirts, yes, with colors only. So here we have only one shirt with color. So here it's one red shirt and it's colored. Here, not red, but with colors. Not red, but with colors. Okay, colored and not red. Not red, so it's 1, 2, 3. We have 3 shirts, not red, and they have colors here. Okay, so the answer here is 3. Not colored but red. Not colored but red. Not colored but red, so we have only 2. Okay, 2 shirts are red but without any colors. Here, not colored and not red. Not colored and not red, we have only 1 shirt here, this one, without any colors and not red, so it's 1. Let's answer the following questions here. How many shirts do not have colors? How many shirts do not have colors? You can count the number of shirts. 1 second. The number of shirts without colors here from this figure, or you can know from Carroll diagram here. So here I'm asking about how many shirts do not have colors, which is not colored. You can say 2 and 1 is 3. Or look at that figure here, and here you have 1, 2, 3. You have 3 shirts only without colors. How many colored red shirts are there? How many colored red shirts are there? Colored and red. So, what is this number? It's 1. We needn't to look at the figure because Carroll diagram helps us to know or to handle the data without looking at the figure. Okay? So here we have the third question, how many more? I told you when I say how many more, it means we will subtract. How many more colored than non-colored shirts are there? So, colored and non-colored. So it will be 1 and 3. This is the number of colored shirts is 4. 2 and 1, the number of not colored shirts is 3. So it's 4 minus 3. The difference between colored shirts and non-colored shirts is 4 minus 3 equals to 1. Let's come to the second question here on this page. There are 35 mangoes and 20 papayas in a basket. So here the total number of mangoes is 35 and the total number of papayas is 20. 12 of the mangoes and 15 of the papayas are ripe. So here from the 35 mangoes we have 12 from the 35 mangoes are ripe, and 15 from the papayas, 15 from 20 papayas are ripe. So here he's asking you some questions. Using this information, complete the Carroll diagram below. So here first, we have to write the groups in Carroll diagram. We can say mangoes, papayas, or mangoes, and not mango. Not mangoes. It's supposed to be a small letter here. And this is capital. Not mangoes, okay? Here, ripe and not ripe. Not ripe. Okay? So let's complete Carroll diagram now. He's telling you 12 of mangoes are ripe. So we will write mangoes and ripe, so we have 12 mangoes only. Not mangoes, and ripe, which is 15 for the papaya. Okay, 15 papayas here. Not ripe, but mangoes. How can we know? Now we have the number of ripe mangoes and the number of ripe papayas, but we don't have the number of not ripe mangoes and not ripe papayas. So how can we know? We will subtract the number of ripe mangoes, which is 12, from the total number of mangoes, which is 35 minus 12 equals 2. 5 minus 2, which is 3. 3 minus 1, which is 2. So the answer is 23. And here, not mangoes and not ripe. So we will subtract the number of ripe papayas, which is 15, minus the total number of papayas, which is 20. So it's 20 minus 15 is 5.